Hi, welcome to Sara's Kitchen. Today I am going to make homemade paneer. Let us start with boiling the milk in medium to high heat. Stir the milk so that it will not stick on the bottom. Once the milk starts boiling, reduce the heat, add lemon juice. Now you see the milk starts curdling, add the remaining lemon juice. Now you can see the yellow water, that is whey water, separates from the paneer. To cool down the temperature, add ice cubes. Strain the paneer through cheesecloth or a cotton cloth. Be careful, it is very hot. Now you see the creamy paneer. Gather the cloth. Be careful, it's very hot. And squeeze out the water and let it cool for 10 to 15 minutes. This is whey water. Contains lot of minerals and vitamins. You can use it for making sabjis and also for kneading the dough for bread and chapati. If you don't want to use it, cool it and use it for watering your plants. After 15 minutes, squeeze out the excess water. Wrap it with the same cotton cloth. If there is any excess water, it will drain out through these holes. Keep a heavy object on top of the paneer and allow it to settle down for 2 to 3 hours. After 2 hours, open and see the paneer. Unwrap the cloth. Now you can see the yummy paneer is ready. Remove the paneer from the cloth and it is ready to cut. Cut the paneer into small cubes. It is very soft than the store-bought paneer. Cut it into small cubes and store it in the refrigerator. Try this recipe and give your comments and also subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching Sara's Kitchen.